The Chesapeake Network is Conservation Central, an online community for people like you. After watching this video, we hope you'll sign up at www.chesapeakenetwork.org. Conservation work is cooperative work, and here are a few testimonials from people like you. They're using the Chesapeake Network to find their peers and to work together with their peers. With the Chesapeake Network, they can get more done with less effort and less headaches than was possible before. The Chesapeake Network is sponsored by a committee of grant makers that support conservation efforts from local government and nonprofit organizations. Members of the network are always the first to know about new opportunities from these sources. You can find moral support in the Chesapeake Network. It's an electronic water cooler for people like you. Unlike those other social networks, it's a place where conservation experts gather to exchange advice and tips. How many conservation experts? More than 1,000. You'll see plenty of familiar faces in the community directory. The Chesapeake Network has plenty of great features that can save you time. Browse the tag cloud to find people who share your interests. Use the groups list to find other professionals working on problems that interest you. If you like, you can participate in a group by email, or you can log in and participate on the web. Each group has a variety of features that make it easy to work together. You can use the notepad to write together. No more attachments. No more version creep. Use the library to create a private, shared area to store the documents that your group is working on. Are you ready to get started? We'll get you on board in 5 steps. Point your browser to chesapeakenetwork.org and click Register. Take a few minutes to fill out your user profile. Make sure you add some tags and a picture. Don't be afraid to have a little fun with your picture. In step 3, you'll want to click the tab that says Email Settings. This is where you control how much email you get from the network. You can control how much email you receive from each group. You can get every single one. You can get a daily digest of all the emails that are sent. Or you can turn emails off and just read them on the web when you log in to the Chesapeake Network. In step 3, you'll want to set your privacy settings. Do you want to share your phone number, your email address, your mailing address? That's up to you. Step 4 is to invite your friends to use the network. The more people who use it, the more useful it becomes. It's that simple. Step 5 is to browse the groups directory and find one that interests you. There's sure to be a conversation going on that you want to join, so sign up and introduce yourself. The Chesapeake Network is Conservation Central. In the Chesapeake Network, the answers that you need and the support that you want are never more than a few clicks away. Won't you join us?